All right, practice problem 1. Let's see how you did. Label your table, X, Y, the expression, that's what that's called. Most likely will be on your exit ticket, okay? Pick your X values. What are we choosing? 0, 1, and 2. Just so that our numbers all match up. Plug them in. -1, parentheses, plus 3. What are we filling in for X this time? A 0. Anything times 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Our first ordered pair is 0, 3. So when X is 0, what is Y? It's 3. Let's move on. Now, -1, parentheses, plus 3. What are we filling in for X this time? A 1. -1 times 1, -1. -1 plus 3, positive 2. So our second ordered pair is 1, 2. When X equals 1, what is Y? It's 2. Last ordered pair, -1, parentheses, plus 3. What are we filling in for X this time? A positive 2. -1 times 2 is -2. -2 plus 3 is 1. Our final ordered pair, when X is 2, Y is 1. Let's graph these. 0, 3, right here. 1, 2, right here. 2, 1, right here. Another negative sloping line. Make sure your line is long and has arrows, okay? Practice problem 2. Label, this is X, this is Y. The expression is 2X minus 1. Pick your X values. You should have picked 0, 1, and 2, so our numbers match up. Let's plug in these X values. So we're going to do 2, parentheses, minus 1. What are we filling in for X the first time? 0. 0 times anything is 0. 0 minus 1, -1. Hopefully you didn't make that a positive. So when X is 0, what is Y? -1. Second point, 2, parentheses, minus 1. What are we filling in for X this time? A 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1, positive 1. So we have the point 1, 1. Last one, 2, parentheses, minus 1. What are we filling in for X? A 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. When X is 2, what is Y? It's 3. Graph it. 0, -1 down here. 1, 1 up here in quadrant 1. 2, 3 up here in quadrant 1. Connect the points. Lines are long and have arrows. This is a positive sloping line, okay? The other examples were negative. This one's positive. So that's practice problem 2. Now you're going to try 3 and 4 on your own, and then check your work in the next video.